What's up, everyone? Taylor Jada here. Thanks for watching. So I have a lot of COD points, and we're going to get into a lot of rare supply drops right now. I wanted to share this with you guys because I've never opened up this many rare supply drops at once. So I hope you guys really enjoy the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, guys. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe, guys, so you can stay up to date on all the videos I'm going to be putting out. So let's get into it. Let's open up this first one and see what we got. Alright, Haptic for the Pharaoh, Outrider Gesture from the Grave, and we got 10 crypto keys. Alright, cool. Not bad. Let's do it again. We got a lot to open up here, so let's see. Boast Gesture, Firebrand Camo. Alright, come on. We need better than that. Let's go. Christmas Present, Timber Camo. Alright, come on. We need better. We need better in this, guys. Cool body theme. Got the Ruin Taunt. Halcyon? Locust Camo? I don't know how to say that. Alright, let's open up another one. Let's go. Ugh. And the best thing we got is 7 crypto keys out of that one, so come on, baby. We need some good stuff here. I said good stuff. Let's go. Etching Pharaoh Camo. Ugh. Got a quick draw variant. And Jungle Party Locust Camo. Alright, come on. That's a cool calling card. I like that quick draw variant, but I probably won't be using quick draw on the Kuda, so ugh. Alright, come on. We need good stuff. Good stuff. Profit. Triple Threat. Espionage for the Brecci. Royal Camo for the BRM. Alright. BPM Body Theme for the Prophet. More crypto keys. Knife Camo. Even though it's a common, I didn't have one, so that's cool. Execution. Vesper Long Barrel variant. That's pretty cool. Whackage Profit. Alright. 20 crypto key bonus. That's really cool. RK5 FMJ variant. That's pretty cool. 10 crypto keys. Got the Bunny Hop. ICR1 quick draw variant. Might actually use that. Transgression Elcar Camo. Got the Knuckle Sandwich for the battery. I like to use battery when I play free for all, so that's cool. Ooh, the Pixel Camo. That's going right on the RK5. I like that MMA fighter. We're gonna equip that. I got the Violet Camo for the Kuda. That's cool. Fast Mag variant. All That Glitters calling card. That's pretty cool. Fast Mag variant. Firebreak body theme. Inferno and Inferno. Wow. Come on. Wow, look at all these commons. Let's go. We don't want commons. We do not want commons. Alright, come on. I want one of the weapons. Please give me one of the weapons. Head theme, that's pretty cool. More Firebreak head themes. I've been using them a lot lately, so that's cool. Which one do I want? Legendary or the epic one? I like that one. That one's cool. Alright. We got 3 more here. Alright, I like that M8 camo. That's cool. We'll equip that. That looks alright. Alright, last one for the COD points. Now we're gonna go with crypto keys. Vampire head theme, Seraph infrared. That Swindler camo looks pretty cool. I like that. That's pretty cool. We'll equip that. Alright, let's go. Let's go here. Stock variant. Inferno camo. Man, so many camos. That's pretty cool. Do I want to equip that? Nah, I'll leave it the way it is. Alright, we got one more. Violet RK5, that's pretty cool. Oh, we can actually do one more. We got crypto key bonuses. Great White calling card, 1 of 6. Alright, let me see here. We can burn duplicates. Alright, so we need 10 more for another rare supply drop. Not bad at all. So there he is, guys. There's a Firebreak, man. We opened up a ton of rare supply drops. I was pretty excited to get a rare weapon. A weapon would have been really awesome to get, but who knows? Maybe in the future, put out another one of these rare supply drop videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys really liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and until next time, we'll put out some more videos. Later.